Alright, so I'm going to be doing the Chapter 12 screencast project, the Excel skills. It's going to be pretty quick because I'll show you what I know how to do right now and you'll see why it's quick. I'm going to start off opening Microsoft Excel, and then I believe I go here to blank workbook, and that's all I know how to do. I don't really know what I know how to, like, in a Word document to make a chart, you use Excel. I know how to use that with the columns and stuff. You can name the column and then input data and stuff, and then it will create a chart for you. But other than that, I really don't know what to do here. I remember in senior year of high school in my economics class, we learned how to use use Excel to do like budgeting and stuff. But other than that, this is all I know what to do. So that's my quick 1 minute video.